Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a useful app for your purchases, shopping and dining, eating in restaurants. For all purpose, we have a best app that is called Magic Pin. First go to Google Play Store, search for Magic Pin app. In this search results, the first one, I'm already installed this app. That is why it is displayed already installed. I want to open the Magic Pin app. So click on open button. This app is very useful to shopping, dining, eating, delivery food items. In every shopping, it is very useful. You can buy vouchers, book my show tickets. After opening the Magic Pin app, you can see it is asked permission for your location. Then you can select what you need to shop: fashion, food delivery, budget, dining, online vouchers, and shopping. So many options is there. Every time you shopping in this app, you have to pay the bill with using this app. First, see, in JP Nagar, we search for any food item. So, for example, we go to Meghna Biryani, open the restaurant tab. This is the Meghna Biryani restaurant. Click on open the restaurant. So you can see two options: store visit and delivery. We can select anyone. You get some discount for every restaurant. You get different percentage of discounts. In this restaurant, you get 80 rupees up to 80 rupees discount for delivery. For example, dining in Meghna Biryani, you have to pay every amount. You can see the below the link, then enter the bill. For example, 1000 rupees, you get 100 rupees discount. Pay 900. It is asked permission. You have to give the access to the Magic Pin app. Then automatically 1000 bill, you have to pay only 900 only. So you get 10% discount in this restaurant when you go to the dining restaurant. In dining, you get 10%. Delivery, you get up to 80 rupees, like that. So, for example, if you want to pay 2000 bill in this restaurant, you have to pay only 1800 only. So, this is the best app to get more discounts on your dinings, food delivery, and many more. For example, you can see another restaurant. So now the delivery option is closed. Store visit option is there in this restaurant. You have to pay discounted price only in this app. So select anything else in this app. For example, Hyderabad Biryani House. Okay, you can select the restaurant. See, and also you have to get more discount using free charge app, Minimore apps, Paytm app, through Paytm UPI. You get more discounts and magic pin coins also coming. So for example, if you see Pizza Hut, for example, this restaurant, Grace's Resto Bar. In this bar, there is a store visit option. Enter the amount of the bill. See, you get nearly 1500 rupees discount. So pay only 3459 only. For every 5000 bill, you can pay only 3459 rupees only. So big discounts in different restaurants, bars, and different areas. You get different number of percentage discount in this app. For example, Pizza Hut, there is some discount. Some restaurants get more discounts. So see, fashion brands, fashion stores, Max Fashion Store. In this Max Fashion offline store, you have to purchase discount coupons, vouchers in this Magic Pin app. So every offline stores and restaurants, any shopping area that is listed in Magic Pin, it is giving more discount. The discount price is different from one to another. So one restaurant give 10%, maybe in another restaurant they give 8%. That is depends upon restaurant. So you can see shoes and fashion, and also any item you have search in Magic Pin, just enter the bill amount. Next automatically the amount will see 9000 rupees only. So for a 10,000 rupees you have to pay only 9,000 only. So everywhere you get more discounts compared to any other app. This app is very good to save your money. And also after getting discount, you have to use the magic points for different vouchers, food coupons, and book my show tickets. In this app, book my show tickets also available. So you get more discounts in this app. At the same time, save the Magic Pin coins for future purpose to buy any other vouchers and tickets, any billing time. You get discount with this Magic Pin coins. So it is a good app to give such huge discounts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.